Dear friends, warm wishes of the day. In continuation of the exercises that we are working out, today we are going to look at exercise number 8, 9, 10 and 11 from classes. The first 8 months, first question, how tactfully you handle these clients will determine your future in this organization. You are supposed to identify the noun clause and explain its function. It is object to the verb is will determine, and the clause is how tactfully you handle these clients. Okay. The second one is, one of the friends suggested that we should share the expenses carefully. Okay, the verb is suggested and the object to that is the noun clause that we should share the expenses equally. The number 3, the important thing is that every player must play according to his full potential. Verb is and complement to that is a clause that every player must play according to his full potential. Number 4, I would like to know why my check has been disowned. Check disowning means sending it back to the person who has sent it without transacting it. Okay, so I would like to know why my check has been disowned. So to know is the infinitive, object to the infinitive, the clause is why my check has been disowned. Okay, next question exercise number 9. Okay, in each of the following sentences replace the words in italics with the suitable noun clause. The first one, no decision has been taken about the venue of the Indo-Pak hockey match. The venue of the Indo-Pak hockey match is what is given in italics, and when you rewrite, you do it with decision. No decision has been taken where the next Indo-Pak match will take place. Next, Parvez Musharraf was certain of the American support to his politics. Parvez Musharraf was certain that the Americans would support his policies. Next, can you guess the meaning of this word from the context? Can you guess what is the meaning of this word from the next? Nobody has doubts about the integrity and commitment of Mr. Iyer. The answer is, nobody has doubts that Mr. Iyer has integrity and commitment. Exercise number 10. In the following sentences, replace each noun clause in italics with a phrase. Do you realize how complex the situation is? Do you realize how complex the situation is? When we change that, do you realize the complexity of the situation? Do you realize the complexity of the situation? That is the phrase that is used. The government expected that the rate of inflation would drastically fall. The government expected that the rate of inflation would drastically fall. The answer is, the government expected the inflation rate to fall drastically. The government expected the inflation rate to fall drastically. Next, the entire country prayed that she might win her first Grand Slam title. The entire country prayed for her winning her first Grand Slam title. Number 4, the managing director explained to the members why he had decided to diversify. The managing director explained to the members his decision to diversify. That's all. Now exercise 11. Supply suitable noun clauses. Here the answers could be different one from the other, because we all can make our own. All others where sentences were given, we were making some changes, so the answer would be almost the same. But here it could be different. Dash delighted all the members of the staff. It's talking about an organization. Dash delighted all the members of the staff. You are supposed to supply a suitable noun clause. Okay. What the manager proposed as the perks delighted all the members of the staff. What the manager proposed as perks delighted all the members of the staff. Have you ever realized dash? Have you ever realized how complicated modern life has become? How complicated modern life has become. Question number 3. The general opinion of the management is dash. The general opinion of the management is dash. The answer is, the general opinion of the management is that a good dividend should be declared or paid or given, whatever it is. That a good dividend should be declared or paid. Dividend is the income that shareholders get in while investing in the shares. Okay. I asked the receptionist dash. I asked the receptionist dash. I asked the receptionist why I was not being given an appointment. Why I was not being given an appointment. Next, the principal was curious to know. The principal was curious to know. The principal was curious to know what the students planned for the annual day. The principal was curious to know what the students had planned for the day. That's all, my dear students, for today. The remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you and bye.